said what?
I'm not mediocre. I did not.
I can't understand what you're saying. Sir, hello. Vance. Don't get cute. Don't get cute. What are you doing?
What's up?
I'm sorry. Has he lost his mind? What's up? I just asked the question, have you done your homework?
Yeah, of course I did.
Of course you did.
Really? Because I'm looking at base camp and you haven't submitted anything.
So what are you doing sleeping?
I guess I was just tired.
Y'all better get your little friend.
I must have forgot to upload it.
Look, man, I'm just gonna say what everybody else is thinking. You need to take this way more seriously.
I am taking this seriously. All I did was forget it.
First of all, don't raise your voice at me. Second of all, no, you don't. You don't pay attention, you don't turn it right, and you definitely don't pull your weight.
Alright, you tripping. I actually do pull my weight.
I'm
Second of all,
tripping, but
when
you
this
never
conversation
heard
even
it.
involved you? I just thought you said when I heard Naima. In this conversation, when I heard Naima in this conversation, you understand?
You have to do your work. Like, it's not
When this conversation even involved either you.
Alright. Tell my man's Vance, all you do is forget.
Shut up, bro!
Y'all not ready to talk to me.
It doesn't
You want to tell me somebody? Don't do that with
swear.
I'm ready to talk to my son.
Not anyways, bro.
Alright, I
Hey man, you good?
Yeah, dog, we just checking up on you.
I'm good. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, but you should start camera or else be kicked out.
Yeah, you know she ain't playing that for long.
Chill. Bro, what do you mean? I do care. I am.
What a shame.
Mm-hmm. She might get the curse of Coco.
You know nothing of the diaspora.
What's going on with you?
I don't know.
You don't know about the curse of Coco?
Curse of Coco. What is that?
The curse of Coco. See, this is why you don't be listening and you don't know what's going on. The curse of Coco is when the elders and the ancestors bring down upon you the likeness of being white because you don't want to take NGS seriously. And so here we are. Here we have it. Not my doing. So good luck. I don't know what to tell you. And why y'all running like that? Y'all know about it too, but it is kind of scary, I guess, seeing somebody turn white all of a sudden.
But I love being black. What do I have to do to
Oh, but do you? I can't tell. What do you have to do? Oh, my darling. See, this is exactly rule number 2. Always pay attention in class. You need to give sacrifices, at least 3 of them, to the elders. Do you know what I mean by sacrifices?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't think you do.
I do.
But you know what? Let me tell you something. You could not know what I mean all day long, but guess what? That skin of yours is going to stay white. And again, it's not my doing. I didn't want this for you. I didn't want this for you at all, but here we are. So 3 sacrifices. You all, don't listen. Y'all need to not be the pot calling the kettle black, because y'all could be in this situation, no pun intended. Do you understand me? 3. So you got to prove it. And we'll see what happens. Good luck.
I got this.
found it. I found it. What is that? Hello? Is anyone here?
Well, well, well. If it isn't the one who doesn't care to know his history. Have a seat. Sit down.
I do know my history. I was studying an output program in New Generation Scholars.
Really? Because from what I've been seeing, you've been very, how can I put this, lackluster. Or, as the Dogon people would say, Giri so. The lowest level of thinking in this westernized world, but I digress. Show me what you've learned.
I've been studying number 2, number 4, and number 7. From the second point, I've been educating myself on how to end Eurocentric toxicity by reading about ancestors like Frederick Douglass.
It seems like you learned a thing or two, but now you really have our attention. Come on, continue. We don't have all day.
I'm sorry. From the fourth point, I've been learning to shift my mindset to think in a more Afrocentric way. The voices kind of help, but I don't think that matters, does it?
It seems like you learned something, but is that all you learned?
From the seventh point, I've been learning to emphasize the importance of black art by reading about Alma Thomas and admiring her piece, Gracie Melodic Chin. Is there more I should have learned?
You're missing something that a lot of us tend to look over.
What else should I have learned? But please!
Please, you have to help me! What to do? 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 Who are you?
Relax. I'm someone who has been in your shoes before. I'm just here to help, man. Just chill.
But I don't understand. How are you here?
Doesn't matter how I got here. Just know that I'm here to help. Can you sit down?
But I don't understand what else I could be missing.
Listen, you just gotta open up your mind. Think. What has been going wrong and what do you think could help?
Any of the 9 other points?
You're getting somewhere. Keep thinking.
Constructive criticism?
A little bit, man. Keep thinking.
We just wanted to check up on you.
You don't pull your weight. What's going on?
Vance, you're being mad mediocre.
You have to remember that we're dependent on each other and that we need you as much as you need us.
I've got it. It's community. It's been in front of me all along.
You hate yourself, you hate your skin, you hate the black that lies within. The choice is yours. You decide, the choice is yours. You decide. You hate yourself, you hate your skin, you hate the black that lies within. The choice is yours. You decide, the choice is yours. You decide. You hate yourself, you hate your skin, you hate the black that lies within. The choice is yours. You decide, the choice is yours. You decide. You hate yourself, you hate your skin, you hate the black that
Oh, what's up, Vance?
All right. Well, welcome back from the break. Welcome everyone back. All right, let's get to it because y'all done had enough time for yourselves. Presentations, are we ready?
Yeah.
All right. Everybody ready? Okay, I know we're going to go in order. So, Donald, you go first. You ready?
Actually, I forgot. My bad.
Are you serious?
Hey, what's going on with that hair, though?